Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and it's a double page layout day. We are on day 10 out of 12 double pages. So this is it. This is simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit from Anna Griffin. The link will be down below in the comments if you want to shop. And so this was the back of page 9, and we flipped it since it's double-sided paper. Why waste it? And it says Fun Bliss, and this is the album that it comes in. It comes with everything. It's like, I want to say 400 or more pieces, and the album and everything. I do add 2 plastic page protectors. It only comes with 10. I add 2 to make it a whole month, like a monthly album. And you do have 4 extra sheets of paper, no, 6 extra sheets of paper at the end that we cut up and use. And so you could add more page protectors if you wanted. So let's get started, and I'll tell you everything that you're going to need to have. So let's make sure that it's going the right direction, since we're using the back side of yesterday's right hand side. Okay, you're going to need 4, 2 for each of the photo mats. You're going to need 2 of these of the journaling cards. You're going to need the border, 12-inch border, 1 each. This is a 1/2 inch, and you're going to need 4. So I took 1 inch and just cut it in half. You're going to need 4 of those 1/2 inch. This says Fun. And on the other page, what's different is it's going to say Bliss. Other than that, everything is the same. You're going to need 1 each for this page. You're going to need this, and it is going the opposite direction. So you're going to need that. You're going to need 2 of these, opposite directions for each page, and 2 of these for each page. Okay, so let's get started. I did not pop dot this, and I'm just now seeing that it was pop dotted. So let's pop dot this. I leave the sticker on so that it doesn't grab dust and doesn't grab lint or anything throughout the years. I use a hot glue gun because humidity changes my glue, and I don't want it to come off the page. Also, since I'm doing this, I wanted to tell you that I have a monthly giveaway anytime I make a video of Anna Griffin. If you follow me and share it, you will be a part of a giveaway that I give once a month for the people that support me. And some of the dies are $45 to $65, so all you have to do is share. So that's not too hard, is it? And I have made a video about that, so go look, or if you want more information, ask me and I'll tag you in that. So, okay, we're ready. So we're going to get the green, and we're going to, I already put tape on it and prepped. So we're coming down a 1/2 inch. I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to put it at a 1/2 inch, really right on top of the inch line if you have a mat like this one of Anna Griffin's. Then it's easier for me to do it sideways like this because I can see it straighter. Then I'm going to put glue on this real fast, and it's going that direction, and then we're going to put it right here, right on the edge of that line of the green, so it looks like the green went underneath and you saved on paper by not going all the way across. And we were able to use a lot of different shades and colors. So now let's put this right here, right underneath it, just barely. If you cut your paper this is where, if you cut your paper crooked and you need to realign your blade, this is where you can tuck it and straighten it out and hide it underneath. Okay, come on, let me get this now. Why is it wanting to stick before it gets down? There we go. All right, now turn it the right direction, and we did. Okay, and the word fun. Let's see. So this is a 6-inch page. So we're going to take the word fun, and we're going to put it in the center. And so we go right to where the 6 is, and the U will be the middle, and we stick it right there. That was quick and easy. Right in the center, and it's all equal. Now we take these two. This does not have tape or sticky. Most of our stuff does, but the photo mats and the signature cards do not. But everything else is sticky. So we're going to go a 1/2 inch. Let's see, a 1/2 inch down and 1 inch in. And we're going to do that the same, a 1/2 inch down. And if you want to make sure it's straight, you just put this here and come in 1 inch. I may have to put hot glue underneath that. Okay, so there we go. This right here. Is going at the very bottom, right in the center. Okay. We are going to, this is a sticker, but I forgot to stick it under, so I'm going to lift this and just stick it just like that. And the other one, to be faster, I'm using my hot glue gun, and just stick it right under there. Okay. Now we have this flower there. And we have this flower. Let's see, which direction are they going? They're going like that. Nope. They're going like this because this is the left side and I want them to face into the right. Okay. So we're going to just stick these down with hot glue so it's faster. And we're going to put it there. Yeah, let's have the roses stick in, and we're going to have it a little bit on that journaling. And then this is going here. So we're only going to put glue right down the center and glue it on. We're going to center these two creases in the center of that. Then we're going to take these and flank it like this. Okay? But I'm only going to glue it on a little bit so that we can put a picture underneath it if we want. Okay? So we can take this and it can still go over, or a picture can go on top of it, depending on your size. And let's do the other one. This one needs to be cleaned up. And let's do the other one. And we are done with this, and we'll walk through the other side. There we go. So there it is. And when you're doing the bliss, all you have to do is put the bliss on this page, but everything else is the same. So I hope you like this double page layout. Remember to share and let me know and follow me, and you can be a part of the giveaway. So that's really fun and nice. Okay guys, have a blessed day.